Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, we will be starting with the regression concept, which is the important part of machine learning, and it is very important for Python also. So first of all, what is regression? The term regression is used when you try to find relationships between variables, and in machine learning, it is used to predict the outcome of future events. There are three types of regression, which are linear regression, polynomial regression, and multiple. So today we will be starting with the linear regression. So first of all, what is linear regression? It uses the relationship between data points to draw a straight line through all of them, and this line can be used to predict the future value. So we will be starting by drawing the scatter plot. See, second code I have written. First we have to import the matplotlib, which is used for plotting, as you all know. Then we will add two arrays on the point x-axis and y-axis, and this is the main code plt.scatterxy for scattering. If I run, see, and if I here change the values like 78, then result will be different. See, so this was the first part. You can start by scattering plotting of linear regression. So the second part, here I have written some commands. This is important for regression. If you want to draw a scatter plot, the main code is plt.scatterxy. If you want to draw line of linear regression, then plt.plot x my model. If you want to display, then plt.show. It will show your diagram. Okay, and this is very important and main line. Execute a method that returns some important key values of linear regression. If you want to predict the values or you want to execute a method, you will write this command: slope intercept rp stats dot linear res. And this linear regression, we will be importing SciPy, but in statical way, not in constant way. Okay, and the last I have written def my function returns loop. I have created a function here. This is for predicting the future values. Okay, so now the first, from SciPy import stats. If I want to fit my data in linear regression, this is the main, okay, code for that. I have tell you, for executing the program, this code will be used main. If I run this, see, this is the result. Because if I want to execute the program, this code is most important for that. Okay, now the third, see, this is from SciPy import stats, because in statistical modeling we are doing. Okay, so I have added new array on the x-axis and y-axis. Then this is for executing, and this I have explained you here. This is used to predict the values, future values. Okay, see, now if I run, see, this will predict your speed. This code is basically to predict the speed. Okay, so this was the linear regression part. So in this video only this, in next video we will be doing further. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.